Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. So guys, in this video I am going to show you how to download and install uh, Express Scribe and CH software for your devices. Okay, in this video I will show you how to download and install it. So without wasting time, go to browser and search here Express Scribe download and search. Then open this first website nch.com.au and Express transcription software for your devices. Okay, variable feedback, playback, foot pedal control, hotkeys, work with other software. All the overview and the feature of the software you can read out here on this page. You can see here. Okay, so we will try out to download free trial for our PC, Windows or other operating system. It will detect automatically of your operating system and provide you the link here. Okay, so on the other hand, if you want to check out the pricing of the software, you can check out here Express Subscribe Professional unrestricted professional license, that is not of $80, that is $59. Okay, that is 30% off a normal price if you buy online on before 15th of January 2022, and today is 6th of January 2023. Okay, that is 30% off and the $60. Okay, Express Subscribe Basic Standard Edition, that is not $70, that is $50. Okay, so this is the pricing of the software, and that is fast checkout through PayPal. Okay, so you can purchase the license through PayPal. Okay, that is the premium software version. Okay, on the other hand, we will download for our Windows free edition. Okay, and that is the you can call in free trial. Okay, that is 1 MB setup installer is going to be download, and we will install it into our PC. So wait for it and to be completely download. Just it has been downloaded. We will open it and yes, allow this to be download, accept the terms and next, and you can see here please wait. Installing Express Scribe, and it has been installed. Okay, and the latest version is you can see here, that is unlicensed. You can see here non-commercial, home use only. Okay, so guys, in this way you can also download and install Express Scribe for your for your Windows in this way. Thank you for watching my this video, and thank you so much for watching my video, and please subscribe to my channel if you are new on this channel. Thank you so much.